Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to check or track the amount of the calories burned on this watch basically. Before we start, you can check the amount of the calories burned on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. The second way is to do it through the activity widget, and then we can also check it on the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So first I'm gonna show you how to do it on the watch face. So wake up the screen, and if you have the watch face that supports this feature, you will see the amount of the calories burned right here displayed on the watch face. I mean, on different watch faces it might be in different places, but on this watch face it's right here. You can see the icon. To check it on the activity widget, you can simply swipe left on the home screen, and here you will see the activity widget, and on it we have the calories burned. And you can also open the menu by pressing the upper button, find the activities icon, tap on it, and here we have the same graph, but you can also scroll down and you will see the graph right here, the Ksal graph, and you can check the amount of the calories burned right here. Okay, and the last option is to do it through the app. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Mibro Fit application on it and check the details there. So let's zoom out the camera like this, and in the app you can simply open, or rather on the phone you can simply open the app. Here we have the activities widget. As you can see, you have the amount of the calories burned. You can tap on it, and here you have more detailed information like weekly progress. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.